all you need to know about making money online. If you're like most people, you have seen people make claims about making money online. The good news is that it is possible. However, you have to work hard. There is a lot of information out there about making money online, but here are a few tips that are sure to help you. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. If owning your own blog is a bit too time consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay per post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Learning how to make cash online could take a long time. One easy way to get started is to find and participate in internet communities that pertain to your areas of interest. Having others who are also working online in the same job market can be a great asset to help you find the best niche for your talents. Keep your mind fresh and open with a willingness to learn and try new things, and you'll find your money-making chances soon. After watching this video, you should be ready to start making some real cash online. All you have to do is to use the tips laid out here for you to use. You will find that making money online is easier than you thought, and that it is a real possibility for you. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.